about very important, and it's got to do with in Yomabia AC Ewo Tema Port. Tema Port. Right now, as I speak to you, no vehicles are what Tema Port, and this goes to the boggers. And Abana Mufre Fie, catch a few for say, Omoma Ede, Omobusian for, and Toma John Mahama, any idea. I majority of you boggers are Moto Abano. My wife had texted my dear anniversary. Majority, my wife will have shown you guys. Who artists me to member, or who to me, man, club. I, man, now, my wife for him to be out. Every day my wife to watch me. Me feel, yeah. So, there's something happening at the Tema Port, and what is happening in the say, especially more boggers and more brutal, when I was some concentration course, especially in Yansafona, Moto Abase, Sebio Port war, Noma Entiminia fluid. Yentumi tete nyoma so cars amode ba na mo containers amode ba na aban bi beba obetie musufre se na be amoso betumi nyoma be fia munuanom ene mobusuafo no so at least they can get something doing, because we all know that the shipping and export or the importing of stuff into Ghana, no, one way or the other, it creates jobs for other people back home. Ekufuado ne ba omi abetena so no, and we have seen the decline the number of containers aboges to me the bafie ni nyina because of the high taxes are more the car could report ayejemo. And there is something we a bugger, not so a bugger, Papa. I wouldn't say from 2012 all the way to 2016, buggers were able to bring containers home almost to me clear without any hustle. Until Sa Achichide with twice on a year about the mobile power. And we saw the increment in everything at the port. Now, buggers, men are memo information on me. And this is the time you need to let your voices be heard, because media can give the facts. It's up to us to push, and this goes to the NDC administration coming into office. Now, there's something happening at the Tema Port, and what is happening? And they say, in Kofo we are moving from my no casa what Tema Port mo bogus mo dia mo pesika be they are taking the cars out and giving to their party people. Omo de mama. So oko Tema Port is here. There are a lot of cars for what. Right now, as we speak, this NPP government, they are moving all the cars out. So our car did 2 days crowd and what they are doing now, and they say they know they are leaving power. They know they are getting out. More cars to port where they are finding way to say the more jacho. Way omu delay. And that is what they are doing now. In fact, I think 2020 there was one gentleman, a near friend, a year konkonsa. No, you more Jubilee House, Mokai. That guy and the ding Eddie Dominic Oponwe J. I said we around 2020 in the CA. That guy is in America right now, and I see him every day. And the time will be due, because you see that guy not Oyejumo Jubilee House. This is the guy. This guy. Sorry. Name, picture. Yeah, this is the guy, and he lives here in America. Not Oyejumo Jubilee House. He was in charge of transport. The dean edit Dominic Oponwe J. I've heard they say, Jubilee House, I'm an Besha America. He's here. And I'll try and get you people his address. The crime this guy committed in Ghana, Besha America, no? I'm telling you, we didn't see that. That way he was in charge. And before I'm about Tema Port issue, what these people do into when it comes to cars, buggers, listen to me. And the John Mahama administration, they are ready to help. But these people, no, some money and come from Nama monitor. Mobeka se John Mahama dimu boni, John Mahama nyemo she. Let us monitor these people, because boni omudini sisiano. In the next 2-3 weeks, no, aseme besi no, you people will have no idea. And the beya saboga okawa bruchiri. Na at the end of the day, yeah, they check MPP girl, yeah, they check MPP ladies for Baumia, ladies for Ekufuado. Ebe ya se obeba na oka, o the Range Rover ba. Or the V8 aba, or the DND aba, near their check party nibi, because omnum some free power. There's a reason why I make a first story where about this gentleman, no Juma Jubilee House. Now, in charge of air and transport. So man, we at a point, cars about 16 V8s. Boy, we actually in Irae. Excavators by 18. This guy. Saadi and see, some more story now. And a free more parry, a catch media houses in and nobody should report the story, because majority of the cars no, not free more parry, yet them or no, or what on ye. Ain't Omo yes I didn't see no and omo kill story no. In fact, the story was published in the news. These are the cars dodo a abrantie we Tema na oye head of transport Jubilee House. We are able see now. We don't know where all these cars are. I'll come to the Tema port issue. Me chow bibi. Okay. So Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis number. Sa cars na under that guy. Sa guy I'm doing the picture chire no ye head of transport or Jubilee House no. Cars are owia ya ye hu cars na chibium. 18 excavators ebe sin ye hu bium. Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis number blah blah blah. Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis. This V8 ne sa cars when ye be sin ye hu bium. That is why Fremont Paramacas will measure America. In as I speak, this guy are not our friend Konkonsa and Eddie Dominic upon which are not the head of transport. Jubilee House. He's in America here. And all these cars as we speak, we can't find it. We cannot find them. They are gone, the excavators are gone, and this guy is hiding here with the money. I know he lives around Maryland somewhere. He's around here. And this is something that is about to happen again. Now, let me show you what is happening at Tema Port. Bogus na mutim no, worship car. Say Kufuado ebe free power mujimia omobeton car no. Almost start check cars no. Almost start yima party foot soldiers. You have to be very, very, very careful. Muma muni embra form. Now, these are the cars as I speak to you. They are actually giving out. Omu cars wejina free Tema Port. They are moving all these cars. And we will publish this list. You will see, say, list of overstayed vehicles and motorbikes for publications. Tema. Inti almost say, when you na demorage at chomo, when you na fame. This is what is happening at the port. And the good thing is, we have been able to investigate Akodru point now. Sir officers who are leading this, we have chats. We have phone conversations. Officers are many Jubilee House for Konaive, Lord Komi, and Captain Kodamo, and Gabio Chedakumwa. All these cars and your casket were just one page of what I am telling you. And these are cars that belongs to you bogus. Almost shada and delay cars, no. And as I speak, bare 100 they are taking all these cars out. And the good thing is, you officials on your side in custom officials on your MPP4. Jubilee House, and that is what they are doing now. In this, girls for Baumia, boys for Mahama, Kufuado, virgins for Fremont Paris, Fremont Paris lesbian. Those kids, and Omuyimukas, so when you see the list, we are publishing listing on our site, on Loud Silence TV, on With All Due Respect page. You will see, check it or chassis number, not check your car. We are talking about serious cars, motorbikes. Almost in the demorage at show on person turning in our. And the funny thing is, they are not selling it and taking money, they are giving it out. That is what they are doing. They are giving the cars out for free because position or also cars in the position. And this goes to the bogus. This is what you have been talking about. This government has never helped bogus. Majority of properties are Modeba Ghana. Na sanko fo we aje. Majority of Nyama Modeba Ghana. Na MPP are buying we aje. There are some people are almost losing beer under this government. And these are some of the things that worries Ghanaians because you will be a brochure or the car ba. Some more the chance obey car almost say no. No more the taxes are better so. No more be beer to steal these cars. Where one page. Opel, your Hyundai, your 2024. Cars in 2024, 2023. These are all accurate. Mercedes-Benz. Your Kia Prado, Nissan, your Toyota Corollas. Make sure another page. This is the second page. Opel Meriva, Toyota Yaris, Chevys, motorbikes. So many of them. And what I can tell you as a Ghanaian, we are boga, Oshepon Yomakofi, ma wenin na ho, o casino. Omo the cars and MPP4 after to trick cars in the chair. Omo the UCSC. Majority of Esika more Ghana. Any more garages. Your uncle phobia or car garages or Ghana. Cars is when you stolen cars. A honor omo de kwakwesi. Omo 2 car na the kwesi obi garage baby or ton car. Into them their front car maybe a 5, 10, 20. No is war. Omega so bogus the new cars about omo boa. These are motorbikes, cars, MPP are buying. I started the. So after this, I will publish everything. Wait, so many of them. And the officers at the port doing this, we have your contact, we have your chat. Officers need become more port one or more cars be about 50 cars officers nafa. And you see, this is what hurts. Because abai besesa, we need to pay attention to these things. Abai we omo Jimmy konfomi akrom for. We are not supposed to give them space. Into our brochura, you need to add your voice to this. You be publish it, go through it. Oka woma need to follow up because omo edicas na me mamba omo chiche. Mate my catcher say yo hini bi o Ghana ha or Eastern region or you be 20 akoma no. Omo chiche cars now around. I know what I'm telling you. So do not play with this. Omo Toyota Vitz, Honda Accord, Ford F250, Omo Ford F150, Nissan Frontier, Nissan Rogues, Hyundai's, Omo Nissan X, Mercedes-Benz GLS 450, Omo Volvo Trackhead. Sign your money nyina. As I speak to you, Omo chini nyina film. The NPP is a crazy